You'll be surprised how easy it is to remember to count in French, and how many different meanings you can play with. Compter. But why a silent P in the middle of compter? Well, think of a computer in English. They have the same root. Just drop the U, and with a French accent, you get compter. But be careful. To compute in French is to calculate. Calculer. And to count is compter. Now, to count in French, compter can have different meanings. To count, vous comptez jusqu'à 10. To rely on, je compte sur toi. To intend to, elle compte venir demain. To be important, ça compte. To be nothing, ça compte pas. Ça ne compte pas. Now, compte is also a noun. It means an account. So you can make the expression to take into account. Prendre en compte. Ils prennent ça en compte. And you can also do your accounts or check your expenses. Faire les comptes. On fait les comptes de ce week-end. Now in plural, les comptes can mean the accounts or the books of a company. And from that meaning, we make the expression to give someone an account of something or to justify yourself. Rendre des comptes. It's like to report to somebody. You don't give the accounts of a company, you give explanations. But a more common expression in French is for to have to justify yourself or to owe an explanation. Avoir des comptes à rendre. On a des comptes à rendre. But let's finish with a nicer story. We saw how to remember to count in French with the trick of the computer. But how to say a computer in French? Un ordinateur. That's very wired, but here's the fun fact. That French word, ordinateur, was first an old religious word that meant the one who creates order. Order, ordre, ordinateur. But nobody used that word anymore, so it was available for a computer. Un ordinateur. And now, if you want to get how these French verbs work, you can check out my free masterclass, French Verbs on Your Mind. You'll find the link in the description, so I see you there.